Let's see. On Friday, I read a post about JP Morgan inviting all their staff to very quickly go back into the office. No remote workers anymore, thank you. And so they did. And they didn't have enough desks. People were walking around with their laptops looking for somewhere to sit. Now, the amount of time and unnecessary disturbance to people's productivity must have cost them quite a bit. So I thought, wouldn't it be a good idea to write an app? So on Saturday I did. And about halfway through the day I decided, I think I'll restart this and use a different framework. So I did. On Monday I published the first edition of DeskSpace.online. This allows a administrator to create desk spaces in rooms of their offices. That these desks can be booked by individuals and they can decide which desk they want and book it. That way the conflict between people knowing what desks they've got is resolvable. As an app, it was developed using AI, and AI development is not as easy as it sounds. You can't just ask AI, please develop me an app that does this. You've got to specify it. You've got to be very, very specific about what it's going to do. And the AI may go off and start writing code for you or suggest code for you. And it's your responsibility as a software architect, which you now are, to make sure that the code is written works. Now, halfway through doing this, I realized that there was a framework I was using that was not going to be very practical in the long run. So I pivoted to use a better framework. This kind of interaction where you're dealing with an AI and you decide it's not right, that is what is your responsibility as a developer. You've got to understand what it is that you're creating. The AI is just a tool, but it's a very capable tool. And if you want to know more about how to develop software with AI, well, that is what this channel is all about. We're all about getting you online in your online.app and developing apps that are right for your business. We can develop stuff for you now, or we can train your team on how to use AI to become much, much faster at developing what you need.